In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a border in Constant Contact. To get started, open the email you want to edit in Constant Contact and make sure you are in the editor. The editor is where you can adjust the layout and visual styling of your email, and it is the correct place to add a border around your design. Take a moment to confirm you are working on the right email, especially if you have multiple drafts, because the changes you make here will apply to the version you are currently editing. Once your email is open in the editor, look to the left-hand panel. This is where Constant Contact groups the main editing tools. Find and click the Design tab. The Design area controls the overall look and feel of your email, such as colors, background styling, and borders. This is different from editing individual blocks of content. So if you are currently focused on a specific text or image block, switching to Design helps you change the email's global styling more consistently. After you click Design, stay in the same left-hand panel and locate the section labeled Backgrounds and Borders. Click that section to expand it. When it opens, you will see options related to how the email background appears and how borders are applied. Expanding this section is important because the border controls are located here and they apply in a way that helps frame your email layout. Now, use the outer border button to add thickness to the border. As you increase the thickness, the border becomes more visible around the outside of your email design. A good tip is to add thickness gradually so you can judge how it looks without overpowering your content. Borders work best when they support your layout and help guide the reader's eye rather than distracting from your message. If you are aiming for a clean, modern look, a thinner outer border often feels more subtle and polished. If you want a stronger frame, you can increase the thickness until it stands out clearly. When you are satisfied with the outer border thickness, pause and review the overall email layout to make sure the border complements your design and keeps everything looking balanced. That covers everything you need to know.